Unit 2. Our Things. Listening to. Read and listen.
Hi, Zoe. Can we borrow your alarm clock? And your torch?
Yes, you can, but be careful with them. Here they are.
Hi, Dad. Have you got a suitcase? And an umbrella? And a helmet?
Yes, I have. Here they are.
Please can we borrow them, Dad? Hi, Mum. Can we borrow your laptop, please?
No, you can't. I'm working. You can borrow this calculator.
Great! Thanks, Mum.
Here it is. Be careful with it.
What are they doing with our things?
They're in the living room.
Twins? What are you doing? Come and look at our spaceship!
So that's what you're doing with our things.